Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm asking my grandmother. I can wait for hours. When that comes in, her on be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Okay, to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber, my name is Bayna. Welcome to the Bling Squad, because that's what we do over here. We do all bling things. Today you guys, as y'all can see, I have my pieces laid out in front of me, and the theme that I'm working with today is, a little upscale, drip, expensive taste type of phone case. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. We gotta place these pieces, but by looking at this case and the size, I know that I'm probably gonna have to swipe out this piece, because y'all know I like to have my little sayings and stuff on the phone case. But I might have to switch out these pieces, because I know I want all of these pieces on the cell phone case, but I need a different saying. So I'm about to head over to the closet real quick and see what I can find, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and get the placing. Okay you guys, so I found a couple more pieces and we just gonna go with the flow, and let's just see how much we could fit on this case. So let's get the placing. Okay you guys, now let's get the blinging. This bad baby is complete. We're gonna go ahead and tear back the plastic and the film. Obviously I'm not taking the stickers and stuff off of that, because y'all already know. So oh my gosh you guys, you know what I forgot? I'm about to have to scrape some of these off. I forgot to put my logo on here. See, that's called being fast. You see, I need to scrape off something, but it looks so nice, I don't want to scrape it. Okay, this one just won't have my logo, but it's okay, because y'all already know who made it. It's already stamped. I already got a video for it, and that's my mom in the back. But yeah you guys, let's just tear the plastic off of this piece, and this is the only piece, because obviously I cannot believe I forgot my logo. But this beauty looks good. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you're subscribed, and make sure that your post notifications are turned on. And until the next video, bye bye.